Elite, you want to take bets?
What do you want? Did we get them?
Um,
Yeah, I'll take bets.
looks like we might have gotten lucky and gotten some